Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. You guys, I am super excited for today's video. Today we are having a Pizza Puff bacon cheeseburger with some curly fries and some mild sauce. If you guys are from Chicago, you guys know that the Pizza Puff and the mild sauce go hand in hand. You guys need to have them together so that they can be picture perfect. Hands down, you absolutely need mild sauce with your Pizza Puff. I don't care what anybody else tells you. But anyways, I'm starving, I'm hungry, I haven't eaten anything, and I'm ready to devour this thing, okay? So let's get right into it. I want to show you guys real quick just a close-up of this bad boy here. 360. You guys, I know that this is by far the most gluttonous, fattest shit ever on earth, but I don't care because I want it and I really was hungry for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half so that I can show you guys what this looks like on the inside. I hope that I cut all the way through. Let me see. Yup, there we go. Let's put this down here. Let me show you guys this. Oh my God. My mouth is salivating. I am so hungry. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in for a big ass bite. I'm gonna dip it in the mild sauce. Look at that. All right, we losing pieces, so let me shut up and eat. Oh my God, that is so good. But I'm definitely gonna need some napkins. You guys, this thing is so good. No lie. I know that it's not the best, but it's amazing. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys, I just realized my fat butt was so hungry. I didn't even tell you what I'm drinking for today. As always, I'm always drinking Nestle water. Best water ever. I don't really like pop or juices. I drink those rarely. You guys, this is so good. So good, like, super bomb. And I'm nice and medicated right now, so this is going down even better. I'm gonna put this one over here. You guys, I thought I was gonna want to separate it while eating it, but everything just goes so good together. The bacon, the cheese, the patty, the pizza puff. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. In the picture that I saw, mm. Mm, mm, mm. In the picture that I saw, well, you guys will see. I'll probably insert it somewhere on the screen here. Mm, mm. So bomb. Patty is perfect. A little bit of pink in the middle. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. You guys, I'm getting full. Mm, mm, mm. In the picture that I saw, they didn't have curly fries. So I made that on my own thing. It also didn't have bacon on it. I put that as my own little addition to it. But you guys, whoever I tag, whoever is a mukbanger here on YouTube to do this challenge. Pizza Puff Cheeseburger Challenge, Hamburger Challenge. And I went with the original Pizza Puff pepperoni pizza flavor. Mm. But you guys can do whatever you want. If you want to do beef or whatever other flavors they have, you can switch that up. You can do steak fries, rusted hand cut fries, whatever kind of fries you want. But I'm really satisfied with these curly fry ones. Mm. These were super bomb. Mm. Mm. You know the food is good when you start dancing. Mm, mm. Bussin'. These fries are bussin'. This mild sauce is from J&J's here. If you guys are in Chicago, you know what J&J's is. They sell fish and chicken. Mm. Their mild sauce is so good. I don't know, you guys. Should I go ahead and try to tackle on the rest? Oh, it looks so good. Let me turn it around for you guys. Those layers are money. It is perfect. I want to thank my babe for doing this little pretty presentation for me. She's way better at that than I am. She also compliments to the chef. Put this meal together for me as well. So thank you, baby, for that. You guys, I think I want to be fat and go in for this other half. I don't know. I'm gonna do it. One more time for the one time. All right, let's do our mild sauce dipping. Let me move these out the way so y'all could see this. Look at this goodness. Look at that. Amazing. It's so messy. I'm gonna have a big ass mess to clean on the floor. I wanna take another bite. So freaking good. I was being fat, y'all. And I dirtied my mouth. And I can't believe I'm lacking on freaking paper towels right now. Like, what the hell? You guys, this food is so good. I can't believe I don't have any paper towels. Hold on, y'all. I gotta go get some paper towels. All right, now we got paper towels. That water is so damn good. You guys, the oozing out pizza filling of this pizza puff together with everything is so damn good. So good, so good. You guys, when I start eating, the food is good, I start swinging my feet. You guys, you have to try this. I've already pre-prepared for this video. Off camera. And took my Pepto-Bismol, because I know that this is going to be a huge stomach ache for me later. Y'all know I'm lactose intolerant. I'm not supposed to have cheese. But this is too good to pass up. YOLO. You only live once, y'all. I have not been able to burp yet. Duh, Yvonne, because you're not drinking soda. Okay, I can burp if I drink water. You guys, another bite. So good. I can't believe that I'm gonna finish this. Let's get some mild sauce. I didn't even prepare myself for this one because I didn't have a napkin here the last time. And now I want to have one there. This is so good. Too good, you guys. My stomach is growling. Uh-oh. I wonder if you could hear that on camera. But my stomach is growling. She's like, bitch, stop. It's too good. I'm definitely going to finish these fries, I think. So damn good. There's bacon bits over here. Y'all, I messed this food up. I sure did. This is a piece I have left here. So good. Oh my God, so good. So bomb, you guys. Ooh. See, there you go. Oh, I thought I had another one, but I don't. Sorry, y'all. y'all. I'm full, but I can't stop eating. You guys, I want to tag a couple friends here on YouTube to do this challenge. Definitely Jazz and Otis. I definitely tag you guys in this, and I know Otis is from Chicago, he says, so he definitely knows what's up with the pizza puff and the mild sauce. I think this is something you guys would really enjoy. I want to tag more eats to do this challenge. Living life with Lisa. I don't know if this is gonna be too much her thing. I think this may be too much food. But if her husband wants to do it, if he's down to do this challenge and try to mimic the Chicago style pizza puff cheeseburger with mild sauce, I definitely invite you guys to do so. If you guys do this challenge, tag me in your videos. I'm definitely excited to see what you guys come up with. Yeah, I'm determined to finish this food. I think I'm going to peel apart this last piece because I want to taste this burger with this bacon. That is so good. That patty is seasoned to perfection. That bacon is cooked to perfection. The cheese is amazing, of course. So good. So good, y'all. Oh my God. I'm gonna finish. The sweet tanginess of the mild sauce with the pizza puff is just so good. It's like a perfect pair. Last bite. So bomb. Super bomb. That was super gluttonous, super fatty. That probably fills in the rest of the calories for the rest of my week. You guys, I am so full. That was amazing. I probably won't be doing that again anytime soon because I don't want to have cardiac arrest. But I definitely challenge all of the mukbangers here on YouTube to do this challenge and complete it. No specific rules or anything like that. Oh, I thought I had another burp for you guys. Devoured that meal. So good, so bomb. You guys, I thought my battery was dying. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to hang out with me and watch me eat this tremendously fatty meal. If you guys do this challenge, be sure to tag me in it. I definitely want to see what you guys come up with. And until next time, bye.